Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write 10 lines on my brother in English. This content can also be written under the topic 10-line essay on my brother. First line is, my brother's name is Dhruv. Second line is, he is my elder brother. Third line is, he is 10 years old. Fourth line is, he loves to play and explore. Fifth line is, we share toys and secrets together. Sixth line is, whenever I am sad, he cheers me up. Seventh line is, he is the best teammate in games. Next line is, he is my superhero and my best friend. Ninth line is, I am lucky to have a brother like him. Last line, that is line number 10 is, I love him more than words can say.